how to recover deleted messages on Messenger, and also how to restore archived chats if they've simply been hidden. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app. Tap the menu icon and select Archive. If the conversation you're looking for is there, simply swipe on the chat and tap Unarchive to move it back to your main inbox. If the chat isn't archived, you can check whether your message history is available through your Facebook account app. Tap Menu, then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Setting. Scroll down and open Account Center. Then tap Your Information and Permissions and select Download Your Information. Choose Export to Device, then tap Customize Information. To make the download smaller and faster, select Clear All, then check Messages Only. Tap Save, choose your preferred date range, and then tap Start Export. Enter your Facebook password if prompted. Facebook will prepare your data, which may take some time. Once it's ready, you'll receive a notification or email. Return to download your information, open Available Downloads, and download the zip file to your phone. After extracting the zip file, open the downloaded folder, then go to Your Facebook Activity, followed by Messages. If your message history is included in the export, you'll be able to browse your conversations from there. Keep in mind that if a Messenger conversation was permanently deleted, it generally cannot be recovered through Messenger. This method only helps you access message data that Facebook still has available in your account export. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Messenger tips, Android tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.